G'day, Oz ADV Rider out for a quick test ride today. I've just replaced the wheel bearings on the front wheel. Last week I did the rear wheel. They were really bad. A lot of movement there. I just noticed a little bit of movement in the front. So I've got good quality SKF bearings in the front and rear now. I've got the old ankle breakers on today. I've got a couple of trips coming up and I want to get used to having some extra weight on the back of the bike. So yeah, I've mounted up my pannier racks and the ammo cases. Anyway, let's go for a little ride. There's a gnarly looking track over there. Righto, let's go up this track. Yeah, she feels different with that extra weight on. Righto, this is Dead Horse Gully. Lovely name. Oh shit. Fuck it, gotta try and turn around. Shit. G'day. You guys stuck there, are yous? Yeah, a bit stuck. Yeah, a bit stuck here, mate. I can't go backwards. Righto. Oh. Oh fuck, she's heavy, old girl. That's it. Yeah, push her around. That's it. A little bit more. Cool. I'll get out your road. Was she boggy down the bottom, or is it alright?
Shocking.
Is it? So they are. Oh no, we won't go down there. Well, that's that was Dead Horse Gully. I've been through that once before. I know there's a bit of a bog hole at the bottom. The four-wheel drive's getting stuck in there. I don't like my chances. Mate, there's some mud out here. What's this one? It's, don't think I've been down here. Go and have a look. Might have. Oh, okay. Righto, truck's disappeared. Any luck in there? Oop. Bloody hell. Yeah, bike's feeling pretty good with that extra weight on there. It's not bad at all. I've got to remember I'm wider though, so if I was to squeeze through here, I think I've got plenty of room. Yeah. I need some whiskers like a cat so I know how wide I am. Wrap it up here. It's just a short one today. Just wanted to test out those bearings and have a feel for the bike with that extra weight on. So I'm happy with how everything went. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.